Hi friends, welcome to Kids Lab. Today we are going to do a balloon experiment with vinegar and baking soda. The materials are vinegar, baking soda, paper cone, and balloon. So let's begin. First, let's keep paper cone into a balloon. And let's put baking soda full of 1 spoon. Now, let's open the vinegar bottle. Now, let's keep the balloon and cover the bottle's mouth. Now, let's drop the baking soda inside the bottle. Oh, wow! It's expanding. When we mix vinegar with baking soda, it releases carbon dioxide, and that is expanding the balloon. Now I am going to play with the balloon. See you next time. Bye bye. Hey friends, if you like my video, please share it, subscribe it and press the bell icon.